All about car detailing secrets. Learning how to detail your car to a professional standard isn't just a matter of vanity, it's a smart way to maintain your car's value. Dry glass surfaces in two directions. When cleaning and drying your car's windows, you'll almost certainly come across an annoying streak on either the outside or the inside of the glass. To make the process easier, get in the habit of drying the exterior glass in one direction and the interior in another. Don't forget to clean the very top of the windows. One simple tip that can help you avoid unwanted smears is to wind down the windows to clean the topmost portion of the glass. Excess product can build up in the window jamb, and could result in streaking, dripping, and other marks. By winding the windows down an inch or two, you can make sure every inch of the car receives a professional clean, so that all dirt, debris and excess product is removed. Remove swirl marks with polish, not wax. Swirl marks are superfine scratches that appear on the surface of your car's paint, and can be caused by using the wrong kind of cloth or sponge, or using one that's dirty. Some people might tell you that covering the car in wax will remove the marks, but this isn't the case. Instead, the best way to remove swirl marks is with a quality car polish. Shampoo it every fortnight. To keep the paintwork looking great, give it a wash every fortnight or so. As well as removing dirt, it will help to reduce unwanted abrasion and prevent the onset of rust. Some people think washing a car this regularly will remove the protective coating from its paintwork, but this isn't always the case. Using the wrong thing, like washing up liquid, will damage the paint, and washing it regularly but never waxing it will also leave it exposed to damage. Use a towel or chamois to dry the paintwork. If you let your car air dry after you've cleaned it, water marks will develop on the surface, and these are often more difficult to remove than dirt and road dust. To dry your car effectively, use a soft microfiber towel or chamois to carefully remove any and all water droplets from the paintwork. Using a long, figure-of-8 action, start at the top of the car and work down each panel to remove excess water and leave the paintwork looking clean and clear.